This message has been transmitted by the United States Police Department, a 17-year-old child with a YouTube channel named Mousetrap and Friends Official. He has 5.4 thousand subscribers and he started his channel in 2014. He was found dead in his bed. He was decapitated by Kid.exe in his sleep. The footage shows that a figure broke into the house, killed a pregnant woman, broke the door, went into his room, destroyed his mousetrap game, and Kid.exe strangled him so hard that his head was snapped off of its neck. This is not a test. Everyone is advised to keep all doors locked and or barricaded, barricade all windows, go into a room that is a vacuum, be sure to bring a flashlight with extra batteries, a air thingy, a battery-powered radio, clothes, a toilet, your mom, and a bag of these nuts in your mouth.